I just I can't get enough of looking at this fall garden. It is so beautiful to me. I'm out here today because I'm going to do a little touch up, cut off some dead leaves from things, pick some greens, and then we're going to make dinner with them later. I harvested the lettuce and look, it's already growing back. That's the great thing about lettuce. And look at my radish leaves. We are really enjoying these. Pepper plant loves the cool weather. It is really showing out, but this is what I wanted to zoom in on. Look down here, a little pepper is growing at the base. At first I thought it had fallen off, but no, it's actually growing right there. Kale, and another variety of kale. Turnips, collards, and believe it or not, these are Brussels sprouts. They look exactly like collards. I had to do a Google search to make sure I didn't plant collards again on this row. And look down here, we're already getting some roots. Look at that. Y'all excuse my ashy hands, but hey, I think I want to pull that one to get that root. I'm just gonna pull one. I'm not gonna pull all of them because I like being able to come out and get greens over and over and over again. It's the plant that keeps on giving. Look at that. Look at those sprouts beginning to form. That's them. Some of these Savoy cabbage leaves is real, but look, it's beginning to close up on the inside. And Savoy cabbage is like my best, my all-time favorite. And look what we got here. I just picked green beans last week, and green beans are here again. I can only imagine how many beans will be out here once the rain comes, but geez, I mean, green beans, whole beans love cold weather, I guess. And you know all that money you pay for red peppers? If you just leave them alone on the vine, they start out like that, and here you go, they turn red. And this is doing exactly what I wanted. This is another bok choy that I planted earlier in the spring. These have gotten dry, well, one of them. And when I open it up, I don't want to waste them. You see those seeds? I won't have to buy bok choy seeds anymore. I am harvesting my own bok choy seeds.